Happy birthday, UM!
Happy birthday, UME! Sana UM, magtagal ka pa sa Sun Life para marami ka pa pong matulungan na advisor gaya namin. Stay healthy po and stay blessed.
Stay pretty, UM.
Yan. Happy birthday!
Birthday po.
At saka UM, yung ano pala namin, yung rice cooker.
Happiest birthday to my ever gorgeous UM Mimi. And I just want you to know on your special day how grateful I am na ikaw ang aking UM. And I really appreciate it na kahit separate na ang MS sa MLQ, yung napifeel ko pa rin yung concern and love mo lalo na sa mga advisors ko because I know may mga kinakausap ka sa kanila and super grateful ako doon. And thank you again sa lahat ng mga prayers, words of encouragement mo and support mo sa akin during nung time na advisors ako. And lahat yon I will forever keep in my heart. So God bless you and your family, and I pray na lahat ng desires ng puso mo ay ibigay ni Lord because you have such a pure heart and you are one of those people na napaka-gentle and napaka-kind ng heart. So, God bless and happy birthday again. I love you! Mwah!
Hello. Happiest birthday, Cecily. Alam mo naman na love ka namin at always na nakasupport kami sa lahat ng mga decisions mo. Kaya kung ano man yung gusto mo, go lang kasi andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Yun ba? More birthdays to come. Happy birthday! Love, love.
Hi Mi, happy birthday! So yun, nag-iisip po kanina, ano nga ba yung mga bagay na sabihin ko sa'yo? But napabalik talaga ako sa time na nagkita tayo, first time, di ba? That was in Robinsons, Manila, no? So bilis ng panahon, mag-4 years na rin pala mula nung nagkita tayo that day. And syempre gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, Mi, na you deserve all the good things in life, especially ngayong birthday mo, di ba? So I wish na syempre, panatilihin mo yung healthy life, panatilihin mo yung healthy family na meron ka with Kanding and syempre with SM Robby, no? And enjoy life. So, ayun lang, Mi, mag-ingat ka palagi and here's to more adventures, here's to more travel para sa atin lahat ng management, no? And here's to more memories na gagawin natin together. So, thank you so much, Mi, and happy birthday.
Hi, Mi! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best, good health and long life. And syempre, more sales to come sa atin, sa team mo, sa Woodros, and syempre para sa future ni Lady Candy. So, see you around. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ninang Mimi! We love you! A flying kiss. Blow a kiss. Mwah. Blow a kiss. Mwah.
To one of the best people in my life, happy birthday! Thank you for being our good but striktang friend. Nawa ay magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay para makasama ang family mo. Continue doing what you love kasi madami kang nai-inspire at natutulungang tao. May God continue to bless you abundantly and exceedingly in all aspects, me. Love ka namin. Happy birthday. Me. Happy birthday. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for being such a good friend. I know busy ka na palagi, pero ganun talaga. Kasi naman may napaka-cute ka ng Kandeng na love ni Ninang. So always know na nandito lang ako palagi to extend an extra hand. If need mo ng help, kapag tulog ako, bulabugin mo na lang ako sa bahay. Alam mo naman na sobrang lapit lang ng bahay ko sa inyo, hahaha. Dati, nag-celebrate tayo ng 24th birthday mo. And then, ngayon na, shirty ka na, parang pumikit lang. Napakabilis, and yet, wala pa rin pinagbago, maganda pa rin. As always, you truly are amazing, and I am grateful for our friendship every day. Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness. Forever. Happy birthday, me. Love you. Puss. Sana naalala mo pa yung moment na natutulog ka sa bus. Miss this. Love. Tweet, Rosie.
Hi, Mi.
happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoy this special day of yours. And sana natuwa ka sa gift ko sa'yo, as alam kong matagal mo nang request sa akin yun. So, yun. Enjoy your special day, and I really wanted to take this opportunity to thank God for giving you to me, to us, ni Candice, as sobrang blessing ng buhay mo. And sobrang saya namin na naging part ka ng buhay namin. And I'm looking forward to have more birthdays with you. Okay, hindi ako yung birthday, but I really wanted to be part of every birthdays na isa-celebrate natin together. Okay? So, ayun, sana naging masaya ka ngayong araw na to, kasi for sure, kompleto ang family natin, family ko at family mo. We will going to celebrate the Father's Day and birthday together na kompleto, at let's cherish the moment. Okay? So, I love you so much, and have a great day. I wish the best for you and for your team, sa career, sa health, and in every aspect of your life. I wish the best for it. And along the way, I will be here. I will going to support you. I will going to guide you rin, just in case you need a guidance from me. Okay? So, yeah. Just enjoy your day.